Hello guys, welcome to this very video here. Now this video this isn't going to really be a gameplay video, I just want to show you something. So on one of Discord servers I'm a part of, which is the OG Saints Row Discord community server, there's been a recent discovery of a Saints Row 2 mod that basically helps to patch the game even more, where it's like, should we even wait for Volition or whoever to officially make a modding to make some kind of
Hello?
fixing patch. So right here it is, and I replied the very mod to the directory. Like if your directory on GOG or Steam, wherever you have your PC copy at, if you already have it pretty much modded, of course, right here's the original exe that Steam gave, and here's where I had to use a little bit of things to make the Steam exe better, which is right here. And this mod right here I put in is supposed to not only make sure it's on capped, but it's also supposed to as well allow Saints Row 2 to perform better. Let's see if that's true. Dang, the certain showed FPS up there, that was going way higher than I've seen it go before. Dang, that FPS is very high. Let's go with a drive around to see of how much this patch helps with. Now my certain you know TV that I use as a screen, it isn't exactly at all 60 FPS. I can see how the mods open. Yeah, let's see here. Okay, let's see here. Patch kernel. Okay, let's see. Welcome to Saints Row 2 fix. Run directory. There. Log created. Client hook there. Let's see, patching. So let's see here. So I had the game pause here. So this is this. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm looking at the built-in FPS counted as Steam gives. And for me, I already have Saints Row 2 kind of modded where I were to look through the character's eyes.
Hey, be cool. It's not so bad. Mero asked to sit down and have a chat with you. He wants to work something out before things get out of control.
I just modded, like, they were hoping that people in the Discord server were hoping that this very mod, like, it's not something that really overwrites anything. This is supposed to be helping with the very performance of Saints Row 2. Alright, now it's okay. Now one thing that I haven't really put back into such a directory is um seems like the latest GXBK version also helps with Watch Dogs. So what I'm going to do here is that other than showing you guys this one mod, I'm going to extend the video a little bit more and just add in this. Now, I'm just going to be copying all those. I'm pretty sure it's more this file and this one, but okay, minimize that. God bless you. Anyways guys, that'll be it for this video. See ya.